I messed up on the last video, but like I said, I never did an unboxing before. So, I'm about to take them out the box now. That's 1 amp. Here's the other one. Owner's manual. Got it packaged real good. There. Gave me some fuses. Gave me 3. What number is this? 340 amp fuses. Like I said, this will be replacing the 4-channel Alpine already in there, and I got the dual two channel. So let me set y'all down real quick. Nice amp. Cab M4. I got the Cab 4.5 already, so just wanted to have a matching set. Here's everything on there. There's the other side right here. Yeah, so hopefully I'll be installing it soon, and I'll let you hear from there. So yeah.